Okay, great stuff. So we're done with averages. So let's mess around with these, and play with a range of different things. So exercise 7. Always do this, as I say. I'm sending you the file for these as well. So do this prior to, you can pause it, practice it, play around with it. Yeah, it's there for you. So what do I want you to do here? I want you to multiply A9 by 2 and put the answer in C9. So what am I asking? I'm asking you to come to this cell, C9, and multiply this thing by this cell by 2. So what am I asking? Again, always start with the equal sign. I'm asking you to multiply that and go for your multiplication button. Yes, and press the number 2. Equals A9 by 2. That's what I've asked for. And press enter. And then I've asked you to divide A9 by 2 and put the answer in D9. So I have the equal sign. I've asked you to go that. And the division sign, which is just above the number 8, above your keypad, divided by 2. And you have that. And then I've asked you to add 100 to A9. Equal sign again. That plus. So your plus sign, plus 100, and press equals. And finally, I've asked you to subtract 10 from A9, equal sign, 15 minus 10, and enter. And those are your answers. So that's what I was really looking for. This gets you practicing how to manipulate, to be able to add, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So that's the first one. The next thing I've asked you to do is slightly more complicated, but nothing too crazy. I said multiply A9 by C9 and put the answer in G9. So again, equal sign. I've asked you to go A9, multiply, look for your multiplication by C9, and press enter. Then I've asked you here to multiply A9 by C9 by E9 and put the answer in H9. So I've asked you to multiply 3 things. So equal sign, A9, multiply, C9, shift. Always remember, to get your multiplication, you need to press shift above 8 or just press the star in the number pad. But just make sure you get there. And press enter. Yeah, so that's that covered. And just before you finish this, add A9 to C9 to E9 and put the answer in H11. So I want an addition. I want you to do, so equals this plus this plus this, and press enter. And finally, I ask you to add A9 to E9 and put the answer here. So equals A9 plus E9, and that's that. So really, again, just some exercises in addition and multiplication. Yes, and we'll end that lecture there so we can start afresh on formatting. Yes, great stuff. See you in the next class.